Topic of this video is tree traversal. So traversing means traversing all the node or visiting all the node. If data structure is linear, we can traverse with two methods. First is first to last, then second one last to first. But if data structure are non-linear, like in binary tree, possible traversal are pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal, and next is level order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, first we have to visit the node, then perform pre-order traversal for left subtree, then pre-order traversal for right subtree. In-order traversal, first we have to traverse in-order left, then visit the node, then in-order right. Then next post-order traversal, first visit left. Here left means left subtree. For simplicity I have written left. First left, then right, then we have to visit the node. In level order traversal, we have to visit level by level. Okay. So let us learn about the traversal one by one. Here we have tree with the height 1, that is a small tree. Let's visit this tree one by one using the formula what we have learned in above. So here in this case, first I will write pre-order traversal for this tree 1, this is tree 2 and this is tree 3. Okay, we will write pre-order traversal. Pre-order. Okay, how pre-order traversal? What we have studied? We have studied in pre-order traversal, first visit the node. Okay, so first visit the node means root. Okay, so here A, then left, then right. Okay, here after visiting the node, next one is left subtree, then pre-order right subtree. Okay, so for simplicity, I will write simple left and right. Okay. Then left B, then this is right C. Okay. This is the pre-order traversal. Then next I will write in order. In order traversal. Okay. In order, what we have learned? Left, visit node, then right. Okay. Left, visit right. So first what we will write? First it will be left means B, visit node A, then right means C. Okay. For simplicity, just assume this is a function, but for simplicity let's assume this is left, then node, then right. Okay. In order. Then next one is post order traversal. Post order. In post order, what we have learned? First left, right, then visit the node. First left will be B, right C, then visit the node means A. This is traversal for pre-order, in-order, post-order, and next one is level order. Okay, for level order traversal we have to perform level wise. Okay, first this level, then next level. Okay, in this level start from this level, then A, and for next level start from left to right. Always go left to right. Okay, then B, then C. This is the traversal for this type of tree. Okay. Here I have one more tree. Let us visit again. For pre-order we will write its. Okay. In this is also a tree with height 1, but this tree have 3 nodes. This tree have only 2 nodes. Okay. So pre-order traversal, I will write here pre-order traversal. What will be pre-order traversal? Visit node A, then B. Okay. Is it right? Pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal, visit node, then pre-order left subtree. Okay. Okay, I will show you how to perform this. This is simple. Okay, we have to write via function that I will teach you in next part. First visit A, then B. In order what we have learned? Left, visit right. Okay, so left B, visit A. Here no right, so no need to write anything. Next one is post order traversal. Post order traversal, left, right and visit node. Left B, right nothing, so keep it empty. Then right, then visit node A. What will be its function? B A. Then again perform level order traversal. Okay, level order traversal, first this level, then next level, A B. So this is traversal for this type of tree. Okay, let's see traversal for this tree. First I will write preorder traversal. Preorder traversal, visit node, okay, then left subtree. Left subtree nothing, here nothing, then right subtree. Okay, B. So what is B, then A B. This is after traversal. Okay, then next see, first in order traversal. In order traversal, right, first left, then visit node, then right. Here left is empty, visit node, then right B. Okay, after this what will be our result? AB. So in this way we can write how to perform traversal. Okay, then perform post order traversal. Post order traversal, first left empty, then visit right B, then traverse A. After what it will be? B A. Then again perform level order traversal A, then start from left to right, nothing is there on left, so directly write B. Okay, so here tree are small. Now let us perform for bigger problem or tree. Okay, here for 3 node 2 node I have shown you how to write. First simply visit this node and keep this function as a bracket, like here I have shown you. Similarly we have to do for bigger problem. Okay, so let's see. This is a tree A B C, this is D, and this is E, this is F, and this is G. Okay, let us find a traversal. Traversal will be based on definition we saw, but there will be easy method. Just by seeing the tree you can tell the traversal that I am going to show you. Just now follow the definition which I have teach you earlier. We have seen traversal for a smaller tree directly. Now we were able to find traversal. There are 3 node and height 1. So here is bigger problem, means larger problem. Let's break the large problem into a small problem or a small tree. Okay, so first I will write preorder. Just preorder. Okay, simply I will write preorder. Preorder, what was the rule? Visit node A, then left subtree, and then for left subtree this is the node, then right subtree. Okay, then right subtree. Okay, this is empty, this is empty. Okay, first this is left subtree, and left subtree again we have seen how to solve preorder for BDE. This is smaller problem, we have seen how to solve. Okay, how we have to solve? A, here first visit the node B, then next this node D, then next node E. Okay, so this is left subtree, preorder of left subtree, and again solve for right subtree. First visit the node C, then left one F, then right one G. What is preorder? After simplicity, A, B, D, E, C, F, G. Okay. This is based on the definition we saw. Next I will show you in order. Okay. In order. In order traversal, what I told you, first visit left, then node, then right. Visit left, this is root and this is right. This is left, this is root or node we have seen, and this is right subtree. Okay, we have to solve first left. Okay, left in order traversal, like this tree we have seen how to solve in order traversal for this. First left, that means D, then B, then E. Okay, and root already solved A. Now solve for right. In order traversal for this tree, F, C, G. Then what is it in order traversal? In order traversal is D, B, D, B, E, A, F, C, G. This is in order traversal. Okay. Now solve for this tree. So I will solve post order traversal. Okay. Now solve for, we have seen how to traversal for in order and preorder for bigger tree or bigger problem. Now post order traversal. Okay, post order traversal, what definition we have seen? Definition we have seen left, right, then visit node. Okay, left I am keeping here left subtree, this is left subtree, and right subtree, this is node. Left, right, then visit node A. Okay, so now problem is to solve post order traversal for this tree. This type of tree we have already seen how to solve post order traversal for this. First visit this, then next this one, means D, E, and next is B. D, E, B. This is for left subtree. Now solve for right subtree. Post order traversal for right subtree. F, G, C. F, G, C. A. What is this post order traversal? D, E, B, F, G, C, A. This is post order traversal. Now solve for level order traversal. Okay. Level order traversal is simple, just traverse level. First this level, then next, then next. Okay. Always traverse from left to right. If nothing is mentioned, level order means left to right. Up to bottom, left to right. A, then B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. D, E, F, and next is D. So these are the traversal we have seen based on definition of the traversal. This is perfect way to understand, but if there is a tree given and you have to find traversal of the tree, traversal result using pen and paper, so this is not easy task. Then there are some simple and easy method which we will look into them in next video. So these are the based on definition. Okay, for simplicity I will show you in different video. Thank you for this.